In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your phone or email on your Roblox account. So if you wish to add your phone number or email, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. As you can see here, I'm asked to finish setting up my account by adding an email or even a phone number. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now you can go ahead and add your email number here directly, but for this case I want to show you how you can add both. To do that, go to more here and then scroll down to settings, and from settings go to this first option, account info. Now if you tap on account info, you will be able to see your display information. For instance, I have my display name here and even my password is available and the other details such as date of birth. Of importance, we want to add phone number and email. So I'll show you how to add an email. To do that, go ahead and tap on add just next to it on your account, and then go ahead and enter your email. And here we go. Go ahead and check this if you like to sign up to receive emails from Roblox. So for my case, I'll not check that, so I'll just tap on add email and the email has been added. However, I need to go ahead and verify this email. Verify the email, it means code will be sent to this email for me to verify. Currently you can see the email is still pending, which means it is yet to be verified. Go ahead and tap on verify, and we have a verification that has been sent. I need to go ahead and visit my mailbox to verify it. So I'll go to my email and find the verification, and as you can see, a verification link has been sent. I'll just go ahead and tap on it and then tap on verify email. Now you can see the email has been verified. If you're on your smartphone, you can also just do the same by going to your email. Now if I go back to my account and tap on account info, you can see now the email has been verified and there is a check mark just next to verified. For the phone number, go ahead and also tap on add, and also you'll receive a code on your phone number. Verify your phone. So that's how you can add a phone number and an email on your Roblox account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.